Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can cut out shapes out of shapes in your web designs you create and edit on Penpot. So let us dive into this. So navigate to your design draft, select the page with the given elements, and let's assume, for instance, I would like to cut out a circle out of that rectangle, right? Like I did here. You can do that with any shapes. Of course, you can cut out triangles, rectangles, custom shapes, and so on and so forth. What you want to do is place the first shape, which would be a rectangle in the background, right? So let me use that rectangle tool here and let us pan a bit and position it somewhere here, right? What you want to do next is add the second shape which you want to cut out. So we can go with an ellipse, right? Choose it, position it, press left shift to stabilize it, and let me also change the color so that we may see the difference. And then position the ellipse above the rectangle. So I'm going to position it here, right in the center. Then guys, what you want to do is press and hold left shift on your keyboard and left click into the rectangle in the background. Now both are selected, as you can see here, ellipse and rectangle. In the final step, navigate to design here in the top right and choose the exclude feature. You may also use the shortcut Ctrl-Alt-E, and that is going to cut out the ellipse out of that rectangle. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.